Hi everybody, let's take a look at using the MindTap system for our textbook needs and some of our homework needs as well in our course. So you can see I'm in our course's Blackboard site. I've already clicked on the assignments tab and I clicked on the chapter 1 folder. Here within chapter 1 I'm going to go ahead and click on the link that says read chapter 1. I can see it's got this little blue starburst icon, and that little icon means we're going to be taken to the MindTap website. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and it'll load MindTap in a brand new window, which I'm going to make to fit on the screen here. And I've already went through the process of allowing my pop-ups so that this window can appear, creating my account. I purchased the code down in the bookstore. I created my account with MindTap, and I got all of that already set up within the MindTap system. So now MindTap is always ready to go every time I click on one of those little starburst links. Okay, so here, because I clicked on read chapter 1, it's taking me directly here to the chapter 1 e-textbook contents. And so I can just read the chapter right straight here from MindTap. If you prefer your physical book, that's fine too. The choice is yours. You can use either one. When I'm done reading the chapter, then I'm ready to do the homework assignments. So when I'm done reading, I'm going to click this little X here. That'll take me back to, we might consider this like the main page of our course in MindTap. So the chapters are grouped into these parts. We have 5 parts, but there's multiple chapters in every part, just like our Blackboard site mimics this setup. So I'm going to click on part 1, and I'm going to take a look at chapter 1. So click on part 1, and then I'm going to click on chapter 1 to look at everything below. Okay, so I can view the learning objectives. Here as well, I can click to read the chapter. So it says read and complete chapter 1. So I'm going to click there. And as that advances, let's see, is that, so as that advances, that opens the window that we were just at, right, so that I can read chapter 1. So I'm going to go ahead and close that, get back to sort of this main screen. There are activities underneath where it says read and complete chapter 1. So I'm going to go ahead and click that to view the 4 activities. And now every time you see the word practice, you want to be mindful that you don't have to do that for a grade. As always in a course, we have activities that we sometimes complete just for our own learning purposes, right? Because we want to be engaged with the material, or maybe we want to know more about it. So anytime you see the word practice, you always have the invitation to do the activity, but it does not count towards your grade. Okay, so that's what the word practice means for us. I'm going to hide those. Anytime you see the words counts towards grade, then that's one that you have to complete. You have to complete it by the deadline to earn the points for that assignment. So if you have any questions at all about using the MindTap system, feel free to send me an email at any time.